So beautiful. Wow. Like a heaven, guys. So really nice. I'm gonna take this video today. Please watch it, see. And if you like, please comment, subscribe, like in my channel. And you can also share video. Also this music you can have free. Wow, I really enjoying this, having this place and video. So nice, yes. Wow. Wow. You can see this flower and so now blossoming and so people are watching. They are looking, taking video and TikTok and picture for Instagram, maybe many for YouTube channel maybe. The more important thing is the people are very enjoying much and seeing them like very happy and fresh and peace of mind here because so beautiful and nature flower. Yeah. Wow. You can see people here, couple, the special couple come and some maybe family, some single like us me. I am here all the time. See the shooting, the shoot here and video. Wow. My block star. This is time like 5:30 and 6 o'clock almost. Yeah, after 5 o'clock anyway. But before that, sometimes it's sunny day. If sunny day is too hot. But after 4:30, 5 o'clock it will be very nice, beautiful because sun is go down. It's a little bit and so cool. So you can really relax and enjoy it. That's the way people here coming and relax here, taking picture Here you can have sometimes turtle, some egret birds. Yeah, guys, they're really nice. So this is lotus. Flower is not now, not yet. Well, please subscribe my channel. If you're new, please thank you, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a good day. See you next vlog, next video. Bye bye. Wish you all the best.